Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to import any templates in Notion 2025. And for this, if we are searching for Notion templates on Google, you will find here 3000 plus Notion templates, which are free or some are paid templates. But let's search for free templates. You can find here literally everything that you need. But I want to go back and search for college template Notion because I will show you an example with that. So let's see the best school templates right here. And let's see, I want to use this template right here from George. Then I click on this template and then we click on View Template. Then he will bring us to this page and this page could not be found. Then we go back and search for another page. So let's see the university planner right here. We click on this, View Template. And then right now he will give us the template right here that we want to use for our school. So right now we click here right in the top on Start with this template. And then he will send this template to our own profile. So right now if I click here on Add to Private, you will see that he is creating right here a new template for us. He is almost there. And now if I click here on University Planner, we have our University Planner right here. So this is how you can import any template in Notion. Just search on that Notion template link website which template you want to use and then import it just like this. So this is exactly how you import any templates in Notion 2025. Hopefully this was the video where you was looking for, and then from now, thanks for watching.